My name is Kirk Haworth. We're at Plates London, my restaurant and food studio in Hoxton. I'm a plant-based chef trying to push the boundaries and inspire people with plant-based cooking. My food is vegan, but I'm trying to come away from that word and trying to recreate what veganism is and trying to just show vegetables in their purest form. So this is our organic beetroot dish. So the beetroot is brined for 5 days in Himalayan salt. For the last 3 years I've been trying to maximise and innovate with as much flavour as possible with vegetables. And then we make a sauce out of black currants and the stems of the chard. We have always kind of had vegetables as a secondary to meat or fish. My job is to showcase that's not true. And then from the trims of the beetroot, we serve it with a beetroot jam, a little bit of pine oil. I'm honoured to be doing the course to showcase what I create here at Plates, and I want to show the people that are watching how amazing and fun and creative vegetables can be. At the beginning of the course, I will be getting you set up and ready with your plant-based pantry. And as the course goes on, we'll be doing more in-depth, detailed vegetable dishes. So there will be layers of preparation to get you ready to be the best vegetable cook in your own home. Benefits from eating a vegetable diet is sustainability for the planet, but at the same time, there's no denying that vegetables are incredible for our body and our mind. You don't have to be restricted by being on a vegetable diet. There's an abundance of incredible things that you can create with just vegetables.